Welcome back to BA Media. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to be updated for a new opportunity to earn money online. Let me demonstrate a method to receive payment for every SMS you receive. Take a look at this. I recently received a text message and checked my balance in the app. So far, I've earned 79 euros from one app and an additional $39 from another app. It's quite remarkable. If you're interested in earning money using just one app, you can watch only the first half of this video. However, if you wanted to double your earnings, make sure to watch the entire video. Alright, let's begin with the first app called SIM Cash. This app sends messages to your phone and you receive payment for each one. I will guide you through the process of downloading and setting up the app to maximize your earnings. To begin, you need to download the app from the official website since it's not available on Google Play. Now let's proceed with the first app. SIM Cash requires you to download the app. Once you have the file, click on it and initiate the download and then open it. Afterward, click on the install button. When the app is launched, you will need to grant it the necessary permissions it requests, such as allowing it to run in the background. Select Hello and accept the permissions. Additionally, you will be prompted to set the app as the default SMS app, to choose SIM Cash and set it as the default. After completing this process, you will need to register by providing your name, email address, phone number, country, and password. Once the registration is done, access your account. In the account section, you will find the SIM cards currently on your phone. Each slot for a SIM card will be displayed individually. To start earning, activate your SIM cards by clicking on them and selecting Activate, and then Update SIM card. You can also enable the app to receive SMS by toggling the corresponding option. The amount of money you earn per SMS depends on the country of your SIM card. On the app's website, it states that the average payment is 1 euro cent. In the example given, even though the SIM cards are from different countries, the payment per message remains the same at 0.0071 euro cent. One could say that earning 0.0071 euro cent is roughly equivalent to earning 1 cent in a regular dollar, as the exchange rate between the euro and the dollar is nearly equal. Once you have set up the app, you can hide it and continue using your phone as usual. You'll receive payment for every SMS received, making it a genuine passive income stream. It requires no additional effort on your part. This kind of app is likely to appeal to many people, so if you find it interesting, please like this video as this is just the beginning. Furthermore, you have the option to configure each SIM card individually and set limits to receiving SMS on a daily or monthly basis according to your preferences. You can set daily limits or choose to have no limits at all. This limits is useful if your mobile operator imposes restriction on receiving SMS from different countries. Moreover, it's important to note that we will receive SMS from various countries and different numbers. However, I have checked and confirmed that my mobile operator doesn't charge for receiving SMS, only for sending them. Nevertheless, I recommended that you check with your own operator to determine if any restriction or charges apply for receiving SMS, and adjust the limits accordingly within the app. As for me, I will begin earning without setting any limits. Additionally, I will personally test this application and any earnings I will make will be shared with you on my channel. So remember to subscribe for updates. Now let's move on to the next app, which is not only pays for receiving messages but also for sending them. By using this app called Money SMS, you can potentially earn 2 or 3 times more than before. Proceed to install the Money SMS app, ensuring that you grant all the necessary permission it requires. Without this permission, the app will not be able to function properly. Once installed, click on Hello and enter your phone number. You'll receive a verification code on that number to complete the registration process. Upon successful registration, you'll immediately receive a balance of 25 euro cents, which can be withdrawn later. However, I will demonstrate the withdrawal process in a bit later. Please note that the app currently being shown is a demo version. To access the full version, you need to download it from the official website using the provided link. Click on Download APK file and proceed with the installation. Be cautious as your phone might display a warning during the installation. suggesting that the file could be potentially dangerous. It's important to note that the warning displayed during the installation is a standard precautionary measures taken by phones when downloading apps from sources other than Google Play. However, there is no need to worry about any potential damage. In this case, I have already installed the app, so simply click Open. After that, add the app to the whitelist by finding it on the setting and enabling it. Once the installation is complete, log back into your account using the credentials you registered within the demo version. At this point, the earnings will begin and you will receive payment from each SMS. The unique aspect of this app is that the payment for each message is a fixed amount of 0.02 euro, regardless of your region or country. This consistent payment structure is quite advantageous. On the other hand, the Money SMS app offers the option to set limits for receiving messages, but it's important to manage those limits yourself. This app has the capability to send anywhere from 10 to several hundred messages daily. The best part is that you don't need to open or read these messages actively. This aspect also contributes to it being a passive income source. In fact, the earnings potential in this app is twice as much as in the previous one. Moreover, these apps allow you not only to receive messages, but also to send them from your phone. For each message you send, you will earn 15 euro cent. This amount is quite impressive, especially when comparing the cost of sending an SMS through your mobile operator, which may be around 6 cents in a local currency. So in essence, you would be making a net profit of 9 cents for each sent SMS, which is a substantial amount. Please note that there is a maximum limit of 15 tests estimate per month in the Money SMS app. However, the significant aspect is that you don't have to manually send SMS yourself. The application will automatically handle the sending process on your behalf. You need to ensure that your phone balance is topped up to activate this feature. Check the main page of the app. You may see a button that says, "How about earning some more?" However, it's possible that this feature may not be available in every country, so verify if this function is supported in your country to potentially increase your earning. Give it a try if it's possible. Earnings in this app can vary significantly. You might make good money one day and comparatively less the next day. However, if you run both applications simultaneously, the earnings tends to be more stable. Therefore, it's advisable to launch and hide this application to continue earnings consistently for the next few months. I decided to launch the applications and keep them running in the background for a little over a month. I'm thrilled to share the results with you. The first app generated a remarkable increase, earning me $79. This is a truly an impressive amount, and I'm now able to withdraw this money. The minimum withdrawal amount is 0.5 euro, and I have various options for withdrawal, including bank transfer, cryptocurrency such as Digicoin, XRP, USDT, Bitcoin, and bank cards. Cryptocurrency is widely available, making it accessible to everyone. For this demonstration, I choose to withdraw the money to my Trust wallet using USDT. I copied my UCT address, specified the maximum amount for withdrawal, entered my full name, and provided the code received via email. That's it. Moving on to the second app, it brought in a slightly lower amount of 39 euros. In total, I earned approximately $108 to $109 over the course of 1 month through passive income using both applications. With the second app, I have the option to withdraw money directly to my PayPal account or in a cryptocurrency, specifically Litecoin. For this instance, I choose to withdraw the money to my PayPal account. I specified the address and selected the payment method. After initiating the withdrawal, I simply had to wait for it to process. To my surprise, my payment from SimCash were almost immediate, and I received the payment in my USDT Trust wallet. These earnings demonstrate how two applications can provide a significant passive income stream, allowing you to withdraw the money earned through the convenient methods such as PayPal and cryptocurrency. Let us refresh the page, and as you can see, I received $79 from the first app. A few hours later, I also received $39 from SMS Money directly to my PayPal account, which is fantastic because there were no transaction fees involved. Additionally, I recommend watching a video about another app where you simply need to press buttons in the games and earn $5 for each button press. Thank you so much for joining me on this exciting journey. Stay positive, keep hustling, and I'll see you on the next video.